Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to make yum woon. It is very easy to make with a delicious flavor. Ingredients: slice the spring onions into little pieces. Repeat the same motion with coriander and red onions. Pickled garlic and tomatoes. Put the noodles in a small bowl and add warm water. Let it sit there for 30 to 45 minutes. Add the shrimp when the water is boiling, but only boil it for about a minute. If you boil it for too long, the shrimp will be too hard. Do the same step with lean ground pork, except you boil it until it is cooked. Then, boil the noodles you had recently put in warm water. Boil the noodle for about a minute, then put it in a separate bowl. Put some pepper in the mortar. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It also helps to crush the pepper easily. Use the pesto to crush them. Then add some garlic. If you do not have a pesto and a mortar, you can also use a blender. Add 1½ tablespoon of fish sauce. Put some tomatoes in, but don't crush them too hard. I also have the ingredients down below if you guys want to check it out. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Have an empty bowl ready and all the ingredients you prepared earlier to mix. Mix all the ingredients together. Enjoy your plate! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.